right, welcome to Options Tender. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, 7:30 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. We have a lot to do today. So welcome anybody that's new here. I know we're just getting some traction on this new YouTube channel, and I appreciate all of you. Hit the like button, the notification key, so you can keep getting these every morning and every evening after the bell, even on the weekend. So we're going to go through ES on the multiple time frames, check out their Elliott wave, see where we're at with our moving averages, and compare it to the MACD. And that will give us our framework here that we do on Options Tender. So here we are. Let's dig into it. We have the ES on a monthly time frame. We're in Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that candle, bullish. Pushing up higher. We're above all the MAs. All of them are pointing up. MACD is straight up. Bullish, 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 bullish. On the weekly. Elliott wave 1, 2, 3. Down to 4. And pushing that wave 5, but we're still in an inside week here. So we just can't quite push over that 38, 24, 25 area. But we are looking good on all the other standards. We're above the trend line, all the MAs. The MACD is still pushing. Go down to the daily. The daily trend is my friend. Okay, yeah. Up here on the daily, Elliott wave 1, 2, 3. And we are in a subwave 1, 2. Pushing on 3. Maybe ending sometime soon here. So we'll keep our eyes. So you see the tone of voice kind of getting a little bit cautious. I know you have these trends. You can't make this out from 2 points, this upper resistance. I'm not too worried about that, but it's our count that we need to be cautious of, because when you get to the end of this wave 3, they're going to probably flush you out. Some way, somehow. They're going to either consolidate into a triangle, flush everybody out, flush all those short-term bulls, and then go to much higher highs. That's why we're going to be looking at what's happening on even lower time frames. So we're still above the 8 MA, still bullish. Real tiny candle we're making here in the pre-market. Everything's looking bullish. Still above the blue moving average here on the MACD. So what do we see on the 65-minute chart? Again, we use the 65-minute chart, so we have even candles all throughout the day. And if we tighten up a bit, we're here. We think we are on wave 1, down to 2, finished 3, and we completed 4 yesterday. And it looks like, or I should say Tuesday, going into Wednesday. Looks like we're on a minute wave 1, 2, and pushing on 3. Now, we have, this isn't very aggressive. We're kind of grindy. You know, we're rotating between the NASDAQ and the small caps. So I don't want to assume that this is maybe a 1-2, 1-2. We're gonna let this play out. We're not gonna be playing the SPY. It's too grindy. We're not getting any impulse. We're crossing back over on the MACD. Something is up here. So we're gonna we do believe we're gonna make a higher high on this. But it might be slight after we go through our maybe this is a 1, 2. We get to this 3. Struggle down to 4, and maybe just make a slightly all-time high here. We don't know that yet, or maybe that 5 will be a little bit more impulsive. But I don't think we're going to move. If we do get up to 38, 40 area, I'm just not sure. So we're going to play this day by day. It's not giving us good price action right now. But the good news is, while the main market is grindy, our individual names are still rocking. So we're going to move on to a few individual names here. BA. And I have the options expected move anybody that's new here, we love to use the options expected move to outline our game plan for the week. So we have Boeing, didn't quite hit its expected move down here, wedging up, moving to the upside. Hopefully we're breaking out today. We are going to gap up just a little bit at this point, but getting kind of tight there, just either for a bounce or for newer highs, near-term highs. Baba, we've been watching Baba. Baba broke out yesterday, made some good moves, gapping up again here today, but it's gapping right into this gap resistance. So we're going to watch this one. Again, we're in this play. We still have a one lot options call for this week expiring, so we're looking to get out of that one, but we're definitely in longer terms for this. We rolled out some time ago, sometime back here. So Baba, Fubo has been amazing here for us. Fubo is way past his expected move. It's just exceeding all expectations. We caught this whole thing, rolled our positions out to next week. It pulled back. This may be, we're not going to go on the lower time frame here, but this may be all it does. This may be its whole pullback and going for higher highs. Right now, it's going to be gapping up a couple points, but do be cautious if we don't cross on this MACD here. Do cautious that we may come all the way down to this expected move here, and that would create an A, B, C correction, or maybe even this support here, and that would be a fantastic buying opportunity. And get this is a wave 1, 2, 3, and we're working on 4. So we don't play the 4 wave very often. We need to let those play out to see what's happening because they come in different formations. They're not predictable. But do know that our wave 4 does not cross our wave 1. So this is the top of wave 1. If the wave 4 comes past that top here, then it invalidates this count. We have something wrong. Okay, so that just gives us a really good game plan to go on to. And I would, if it came down to this next area, if it did an ABC, I would buy it hand over fist. Once again, we're still in the name, but we're definitely double up on that one. Rocket, just not playing in the short term very well with us. But this is our long term. This is also our 2021 play of the year. We think Rocket is going to do super well when we come out of all this uncertainty with the housing and all these interest rates are all over the place. So looking at Rocket in the short term should give us something really soon here. But now we are an MRO. That's one of our IRA moves as well. It's been trending for some time now. We're going to hold this for the long run. This bad boy has been trending and will continue to trend for some time. It may pull back, at some point here, but I'm not sure it's going to be soon. We have a huge wave 1 down to wave 2, and we're pushing wave 3 at this point. So MRO, just let it go. We're out. I think we're out about 90 days in this one. It's a duration position. I'll put on the duration position, the card. Just look above and tag that if you're interested in what a duration position is. Uber, our last one. Uber came out of this range and is breaking out. And it looks like it's on a wave 1, 2, 3, and grinding here, maybe gap up a little bit in the market, but this is moving up while our MA is resetting, so that's a really bullish sign. I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back to retest this area, but right now we're moving on up. So maybe a wave 2. A minute wave. We did a 1 2 1 2, so 3 Yeah, we may come back for 4 here soon. So be cautious if you're getting into Uber on any pullback. Okay, well, thanks for joining us here at Option Center. Good luck trading today, you guys. Put in the comment area any questions that you have. I'm always willing to help. You can message me Instagram, on Facebook, or on Twitter. I'm active on all of them. So thank you. Have a great trading day.